Here's how to fix blurry text font in Windows. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left-hand menu, select System, then click on Display. Find the scale option and make sure it's set to the recommended percentage for your display. For example, mine is set to 125%, but the recommended value may be different on your computer. Next, find Display Resolution and make sure that's also set to the recommended resolution. Once you've confirmed both settings, close the window. Now, open the Start menu and search for ClearType. Select Adjust ClearType Text from the results. Then again, click on Adjust ClearType Text. In this window, make sure Turn on ClearType is enabled. Then click Next. Select your display from the list and click Next. You'll now be shown several samples of text. For each step, choose the version that looks the clearest and easiest for you to read. Continue selecting the clearest text through all the available samples. Once you've completed the process, click Next and then select Finish. If the text is still blurry, open the Start menu and search for Run. Open the Run application and type sysdm.cpl. Then press Enter. Here, go to the Advanced tab. Under the Performance section, click Settings. You'll see several visual effects options. The specific selection doesn't matter, but make sure Smooth Edges of Screen Fonts is checked. Click Apply and then OK to save the changes. If the issue continues, the final method involves modifying the Windows registry. Open the Start menu and search for Registry Editor. Before making any changes, it's recommended to create a backup. In Registry Editor, click File and select Export. Give the backup a name, such as Backup, and save it somewhere you can easily find it. If you ever need to restore the registry, you can return to File, select Import, and choose your backup file. Once the backup is created, navigate to H-key current user, then expand Control Panel, and then select Desktop. Select the desktop folder and look for an entry called Win 8 dots per inches scaling. Double-click on it and change the value data from 0 to 1. Then click OK. Next, right-click on an empty area on the right-hand side and select New. Select DWORD 32-bit value. Name the new value log pixels, making sure the P in pixels is capitalized. After that, double-click on the new entry and change its value data to 78. Then click OK. Finally, restart your computer so the changes can take effect. Once Windows starts back up, check your screen. This should help resolve blurry text and fonts on your Windows computer. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.